Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how you guys can fix the Xbox error code 0x803F9006. And let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys want to do is you want to go ahead and actually sign out of your account, and you can do that by clicking on the Xbox logo on your controller. From there, heading over to Profile and System, scrolling down where it says Sign Out, and then you can sign out from here. Once you sign out, just sign back in as well. And once you're done with that, the second method I recommend you guys doing is heading over to Settings, going to Account, and then doing the same thing. It is a little bit different, but you're going to remove your account this time, and you're going to add it back, and then you can also check to see if that fixes the issue as well. The third method I recommend you guys doing is heading over to General. From General, going to Network Settings, and then from Network Settings, going over to Advanced Settings. From Advanced Settings, you're going to click on the primary and secondary DNS options, and you're going to change the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Now once you go ahead and do that, you should be all good to go. And yeah, that is it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.